Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
eVaidya, a wheelchair with multiple features for emergency medical crisis. Well, let's get to know more about this interesting innovation.
Myself, Sai Rajesh Kapte. I am a third year student of engineering in electronics and telecommunication. Our innovation eVaidya is basically a wheelchair with multiple features for emergency medical crisis. Let us begin with understanding the background and problem statement behind our idea. First one which comes upon is accessibility of oxygen. We have witnessed this issue during the COVID times that many people in our country were in rush due to unavailability of sufficient amount of oxygen. So this issue was needed to be resolved. Next one is COPD, which is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Almost 32% patients in India are diagnosed with this disease. Now, these patients also need regulated oxygen supply. Now, currently, the requirement of oxygen is fulfilled with the help of oxygen cylinders, which are very large in size. Hence, they require space and refill again and again, which leads to excessive expenditure. That is almost 3 to 4,000 for refilling a cylinder at once. Now, if we estimate the costing for refilling a cylinder for over a month, then its price will go up to 1,20,000, which is very huge. So, this needs to be minimized. Also, excessive amount of oxygen can also cause oxidative damage. The normal SpO2 should be maintained within the range of 96 to 99% for a healthy individual body. To solve all these issues, we have came upon a solution named eVaidya, which is a smart wheelchair with inbuilt oxygen concentrator and intelligent health monitoring system. With eVaidya, oxygen separation can be obtained with the help of PSA technology, which is pressure swing adsorption, in which the pure oxygen can be generated without having to provide any refills, and hence the cost of refills will be completely eliminated. Now, the key point to be noted about our PSA technology is that this technology is completely manufactured by our very own Hash Electrolabs by Harsh and team. Now, due to its independency from other businesses, it aids in cost reduction. Along with PSA, eVaidya also provides intelligent health monitoring system in which various parameters of our body such as temperature, blood pressure, oxygen level, etc. can be measured accurately with the help of sensors and can be monitored with the help of IoT-based systems. Now, coming up to the innovation point of view, eVaidya comes with a battery backup in which it can function without having to provide any power supply for up to 3 to 4 hours. It also comes with virtual assistance in which we can appoint a doctor which can provide consultancy remotely without having to visit any clinics physically. Oxygen regulators are used in which inputs are taken with the help of blood pressure monitoring. Basically, it is used to provide oxygen in specified quantities. The only thing that the patient has to do is to wear the mask while being seated on our wheelchair, and the healthcare checkup task will be accomplished just as easily with our advanced automation, that too at the minimum price rate of 30,000 rupees. Now, if we compare this price with the earlier one which we calculated for large oxygen cylinders, which was up to 1,20,000, if we compare it, the difference is huge. So, eVaidya serves to be a lot cheaper in price but higher in its services because it can supply pure oxygen at such low prices for lifetime. Now, looking at its revenue model, most of the revenue will be generated with product sales, which also includes our targeted market, which is hospitals and clinics. We can sell our PSA directly to hospitals and clinics where they can use this technology to generate oxygen without having to pay heavy charges to external oxygen suppliers, because they will be able to generate oxygen on their own. The same thing applies with healthcare retailers as well as rehab centers where they need oxygen for oxygen therapy. We can also sell this product to individual patients, because every time it is not beneficial to go to hospitals and all. It will take a lot of charges. Now lastly, some accomplishments of PSA technology is that almost 200 plus models of our PSA are been already sold, and it is also been exported internationally to more than 3 countries. You can also check the availability of the same on the IndiaMart website. Thank you.